Zaid. Who pushed the nipple, Zayda? You or JJ? Huh? Who? Zido or JJ? Who push? Who? Who? Zido or JJ? JJ? Are you sure? JJ or Zido? Who? JJ? Why always JJ? Kiss JJ. Kiss kiss. You're very clever. You love JJ and you're blaming JJ. You accuse JJ. Huh? Yes, baby. You're playing with JJ. Give JJ the car also. One car. Give JJ one car. Very good. Let's tell JJ, let's play JJ. You give all to JJ. Huh? Sleeping naman akong baby. Ay. Sleeping naman baby. Wait! I thought you already sleep. Nice pajama baby. New one and new toy also. Let me see if the pajama is good. Not yet. More. Open more. One more. Sige, open. Sige, open. Open. How to open? Ana. Sige. Sige, sing. Sing. What did you do to the apples? Huh? Why it's like this? Huh? Why you just a little bit and then return? You're just playing. Huh? Where is Zaydo? Zaydo? Did ever have you seen Zaydo? No. Where is Zaydo then? I don't know. Who's that boy at the window? I don't know. Hey! Shh. Who is this boy? Let me see. Who's this? Who's this boy? I saw a boy here. Who's this boy? Wait! Here is Zaydo! You want to hide? Hide. The milk is for JJ, not for Zaydo, okay? Oi, why you took JJ's milk? Give back to JJ. Huh? Sleeping naman Zaydo. Sleeping naman yung baby, oh.